Hello, this is a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to install and run Revenue Inbox MSI implementation used by some enterprise customers. This approach requires MSI distribution package, which you will get from Revenue Grid team. Make sure that your MS Outlook is closed and double-click on the file to start the installation. The original package is guaranteed to be malware-free. Follow the installation wizard, and when it's done, restart your Outlook. Once you see Revenue Inbox buttons on your MS Outlook ribbon, that means installation is successfully done. Now let's go on to the Revenue Inbox add-in and activate synchronization. Click on the Open Revenue Inbox, and here's the sidebar which you will be mainly working with. Click Connect to Salesforce and use your Salesforce credentials to log in the sign-in window opened in your browser. Don't worry, all your credentials and data are secured under RevenueGrid.com privacy and security principles. Authorize Revenue Inbox to access your Salesforce data via the following prompt by clicking Allow. And back to Outlook to enter your MS Exchange mailbox credentials in the sidebar in order to activate synchronization. Matching and processing of your mailbox calendar data and Salesforce data may take up to a few minutes, depending on how much data you have in both. If you want the sidebar to be opened automatically in your Outlook when you select an email, just pin it right here. As soon as you get here, Revenue Inbox Synchronization Engine starts its work. You may eyeball sync status on the sync settings page as you see all is up and running. That's about it on installation of Revenue Inbox desktop implementation.